mentioned, we will be launching tonight the official marketing plan which will commence tomorrow. So we will be implementing this tomorrow. So pay attention, ladies and gentlemen, for our new marketing plan. So the new global package will be 12,980. The content of which will be reviewed to you later by no less than our visionary president. Are you excited? Yes. So we will be coming up with combinations of A-World, Natural Essential, and A-Global products. So watch out, because later on that will be revealed to you by our visionary president. Again, from 1,200 points, magiging 1,500 points na po, or binary points ang ating global package. And the new feature of this global pack na wala previously from our 7,980, we have assigned a commissional points, or what we call stair-step points for the global package, and the value of which is 800 points. Okay, so later on I will be revealing to you the importance of the 800 points. So let's of course go into the details, pero hindi ko na i-highlight yung mga basic. Like for example, the daily income, okay? Retailing remains as is, 25% to 30% pa din. Okay? Tapos, okay, the big change in our marketing program with the 12,980 global package, our direct referral bonus will increase to 1,000 pesos from 500 pesos previously. Wala ba kayo mga kamay? Walang mga kamay kasi ginagamit sa cellphone. Okay? So, 1,500 product package points, that's 67.7. So, 1,000 pesos po ang direct referral natin. Another big change is our match sales bonus, which means from 1,500, ladies and gentlemen, our match sales bonus will increase to 2,000 pesos starting tomorrow. Okay? So, let me just, for illustration purposes, reveal to you, show to you, sales force on the left, sales force on the right, 1,500, 1,500 on the other side. That will give you 2,000 match sales bonus. Nothing changes with our daily payout or maximum payout, which is about 8 in the morning, 8 in the afternoon, 16 match per day. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, because from 1,500, we've increased it to 2,000 pesos per match, now the daily income will increase to 32,000 pesos starting tomorrow. Okay? Weekly will be translated to 224,000. And of course, with Sunday encoding, 31 days, 2,000 or 32,000 per day will be equivalent to 992,000 per month potential income. Are you excited? So again, this is just good for one account. So the potential of the income will highly increase if you have 7 accounts or 3 accounts. Okay, another change we will be coming up with a new package we call Associate Pack or Associate Package. This is a bit lower than the Global Pack. So the features will be, the price is 6,980. Again, the combination of which will be discussed to you later by our visionary president. Of course, it's almost half of the 12,980, and so the binary points is also half of 1,500, which is equivalent to 750 points. Under the associate package, there is no multiple accounts. Only Global Pack, or those people who will avail of the Global Pack, will have the privilege of the multiple accounts. But those people who will be availing of the associate package, they don't have any privilege with regards to multiple accounts. So, pwede lang mag-multiple accounts yung naka-Global Pack na. AP account, hindi sila pwedeng mag-multiple accounts. Ang limitations ng AP is 3 in the morning and 3 in the afternoon matches, maximum of 6 matches per day. So, 6 matches per day times 2,000, that's about 12,000 pesos potential income per day. Next, the only way to be upgraded to Global Pack, pag nag-AP ka, na gusto mong mag-upgrade to Global Pack, you need to purchase 2 personal points. Pag sinabing personal points, that should be your personal purchase under sa pangalan mo. So 2 points, accumulation, no time frame. Are we clear? So pag nag-associate package si Downline, the only way to be upgraded, mag-accumulate siya ng 2 points personal na no time frame. Now, we would like you to take notice of this. Yung first 2 points niya na inavail niya to be upgraded to Global Pack is not yet counted for his or her group sales for the promotion of Silver Executive. Hindi pa kasama. Pero yung 2 points na inavail niya, para ma-upgrade siya sa group sales, para ma-upgrade siya sa Global Pack, yung 2 points na inavail niya, counted na yun sa uplines, sa group sales ng uplines. Are we clear? So, that's the associate pack. Okay? And the stair-step points or commissional points of associate package is 400 stair-step points. Now, do you want to hear good news? Gusto niyo makarinig ng good news? Now, here is the good news. Number 1 good news. If the system is able to identify 750 binary points on the left and 750 points binary on the right, the company will pay you out 1,000 pesos outright. So pag may 750 sa kaliwa, may 750 sa kanan, pay out na ng 1,000. Hindi na maghihintay ng 1,500 sa left and right to get your payout. Is that good or very good? Next. Okay? Month sales bonus, there will be no gift check anymore every 5th cycle or every 5th match. Your 5th match will therefore be converted to travel reward points. So wala na pong product GC, okay? Lahat ng 5th cycle ninyo will be converted to a particular travel reward points. Na yung travel reward points, pag naipon mo, and we will be assigning certain points for local trip and international trips as well. Gusto niyo ba yan? Halimbawa, sinabi namin, pagdating ng June, meron pong Boracay trip. Ang kailangan mo, for example, 100 points. Now, noong nakita mo yung DTC mo, every 5th match mo, umabot na ng 100 points. Now, pagdating ng June, pwede mo pong i-claim para mag-travel ka sa Boracay. And upon claiming, the good thing here is, transferable siya upon claiming. Pwede niyong i-transfer. Halimbawa, pagdating ng June, naka 200 ka. O di dalawa ang travel na i-avail mo, upon claiming, yung isa, pwede mong i-transfer sa loved ones mo or sa mga downlines mo. Is that good or very good? Again, let me emphasize, that can only be transferred upon claiming. Hindi pwedeng i-transfer yung points sa system. Hindi katulad dati yung GC, pwede yung i-transfer yung points. This time, upon claiming, sa kanyo lang pwedeng i-transfer. For example naman, ang hinihintay nyo, international travel. Let's say, for example, discussion purposes, pagdating ng October, merong Singapore trip. Ang Singapore trip, for example, ang assigned points, 300 points. O di wag mo munang i-avail yung Boracay na 100 points. Palakihin mo ng palakihin para pag October, hinihit mo naman yung Singapore trip na 300. Again, pag nakuha mo yung 300, you can avail it yourself or upon claiming, you can transfer it sa downlines o kaya sa loved ones nyo. Are you excited? Okay. Pero, may option. For those who will be earning 50,000 pesos below per month. Again, for those who will be earning 50,000 below per month, 50,000 and below per month, may options. Unang option, yung 5th cycle mo, pwede mo pa rin i-convert na travel reward points. Or, kung ayaw mo i-convert na travel reward points, pwedeng product gift certificate pa rin ang kunin mo para sa iyong 5th match cycle. But you have to remember, yung ating gift certificates can no longer be used for your personal monthly achievement or what we call as monthly maintenance. Starting tomorrow, all monthly maintenance, which is the 0.3334 or equivalent to 2 completes or 2 boxes of completes, will have to be purchased by cash. Lahat ng personal maintenance natin starting tomorrow, cash na po siya. So, for those people who will be availing the product's gift certificate, 50,000 or below na income, pwede nyo pa rin kunin ng product certificate or product GC yung inyong 5th cycle, pero hindi nyo po siya magagamit for your personal monthly achievement or PMA. Are we clear? Okay, next. Monthly income sa uni-level, wala pong pagbabago. So, for illustration purposes, 10% ka pa rin sa direct mo, and then 5% from your second level down to your 10th level with, of course, a special feature of dynamic compression. No change in our uni-level program, so I will have to skip this. But the change, significant change, is with our stair-step commission. Previously, kumikita lang kayo ng stair-step commission sa ating product reorder pa isa-isa. Which means pag may bumili sa grupo na C24/7, complete, or any product reorder, meron kang overriding commission. With our unified, innovated marketing plan, the good thing about here is, ang stair-step commission ninyo, hindi na lang po kukumputin sa product reorder, pero meron na rin kayong overriding commission sa lahat ng global packages ninyo, left and right, until infinity, walang flash out. Naintindihan mo ba nila? Global package, left and right, mapa-strong, mapa-weak, until infinity, meron kayong overriding commission sa global package. Provided you are a rank higher than your direct downlines. Because you can only enjoy overriding commissions pagka ang rank mo is 1 or 2 more ranks higher than your direct downlines. Halimbawa, SE to distributor, meron kang 10% down the line. Pero SE to SE, pareho kang 10%, wala. GE to SE, group sales, meron kang 10%. GE to distributor, meron kang 20%. But GE to GE, that is zero overriding commission. So, ang makikita nyo na ngayon, lahat ng grupo nyo, okay, left and right, product reorder, at global pack, meron kayong overriding commission. Mapa, strong leg, or pairing leg nyo yan, until infinity, and no flash out involved. Are you excited? So, lahat ng mga silver executive ngayon, kailangan nyo pong mag-monthly maintenance kasi kahit hindi pa kayo masyadong mataas ang inyong rank, you need to, of course, maintain your personal monthly achievement para po ma-enjoy nyo yung overriding commission nyo sa mga global packages. Okay? So, distributor, pareho pa rin. Ayan. Now, gusto ko lang laruin ng konti yung imagination ninyo. Lalo na sa mga leaders na kumikita sa uni-level and the stair-step. Previously, kung kumikita kayo ng 15, 20,000, 25,000 sa stair-step commission ninyo, na ang basis ng commission is reorder. Now, let me ask you, especially those who are very active in product reorders, ano ang pinaka-mabilis mag-move? The fastest moving product in your network. Anong product? C24/7. Ang C24/7 ng assignment na points or commissional points, ilan points po ang C24/7? 225. Now, kung kumikita ka ng 20,000, 25,000, na ang pinakamalaking product reorder sa grupo ninyo is C24/7, which has an assigned value of 225 points. This time, I want you to play with your imagination. Number 1, all commissional points. Kasi tumaas po ang SRP, tumaas din ang DP ng lahat ng product reorder except AIM World and Natural Essential Products. Technically, tumaas po ang price ng AIM Global pre-orders. Since tumaas ng 10% ang price ng ating product pre-order, lahat ng conditional points ng AIM Global products tataas din po ng 10%. So yung dating 225, magiging 250 points na po. Yung dating complete na 200 points, magiging 220 points na po. So, let's play with your imagination. 20 to 25,000 galing sa product reorder na ang fastest moving product is C24/7. Ipasok natin ang global pack. Ano ang mas mabilis gumalaw sa network ninyo? Yung pagpa-purchase ng C24/7 o pagpa-purchase ng global packages? Mas mabilis ang global pack. Now, I want you to imagine, gumagalaw na sa lahat ng product reorder, lahat pa ng global pack sa buong grupo mo na ang assignment 800 points, meron ka ng overriding commission until infinity. So we are expecting na ang inyong overriding commission will increase to 50% or even higher. So, marketing plan, distributor, silver executive, gold executive, global ambassador. The new feature of our stair-step program is we've added another rank. Meron na pong mas mataas na global ambassador. Ang tawag, Ruby Global Ambassador. Ang Ruby Global Ambassador is 35%. The requirement to become a global or Ruby Global Ambassador is this. Ang requirement niya, ikaw dapat GA ka na meron kang 5 direct global ambassadors na bawat direct global ambassadors mo, merong 50 points group sales na manggagaling sa kanilang non-GA group. Again, mas naiintindihan to ng mga global ambassadors, but just to show you, because this is our official launching, a Ruby Global Ambassador is a global ambassador which has 5 direct global ambassadors. Of each global ambassador, kailangan ng 50-point side volume na galing sa non-GA points nila. If that happens, you are promoted that month to Ruby Global Ambassador, and your overriding commission will be based on 30%, 35%. Is that exciting? Okay, sa mga downlines, mas maintindihan ito if you talk to your sponsors or to your GAs. Aside from the Ruby Global Ambassador, the highest, as far as this time is concerned, the highest position is what we call the Diamond Global Ambassador. Kaya magkakaroon na po tayo ng recognition na separate sa Ruby at saka sa Diamond. Ang kailangan naman ng Diamond, okay, kung ang Ruby kailangan ng 5 direct, ang Diamond kailangan niya ng 8 direct GA, na bawat GA merong 50 points na galing sa kanilang non-GA group. If you are promoted to the Diamond Global Ambassador, you enjoy 40% overriding commission. Another feature, of course, we have retained. Okay, ito, very important dito sa mga GA. We will be changing the term of the royalty income to GA Max. So, starting tomorrow, hindi na natin gagamitin ng royalty income. Ang gagamitin na natin GA Max. Ang GA Max is this. Earn 2%. Kung sa royalty income, ang 2% mo hanggang 5%, under the GA Max, ang 2% nyo hanggang 10th generation na with roll down, roll up compression. To be able to enjoy this, GAs, you must listen very carefully. To enjoy the GA Max 10, GA must have at least 10 non-GA positional points coming, of course, from your non-GA group. I will repeat. For a global ambassador to be able to enjoy the GA Max 10, that global ambassador needs 10 points side volume coming from groups which are non-GA. Non-GA group pertains to distributors, silver executives, and gold executives. Pag naka 10 points group sales, yung iyong non-GA group, you can enjoy the GA Max 10 that month. So let me explain the GA Max 10 for you guys. GA, nagkaroon ka ng 10% non-GA side volume points. Yung direct mo, hindi nag-qualify sa 10 points kasi nakatulang siya. Yung second generation mo, hindi rin nakapag-qualify kasi 4 points lang siya. Yung third generation mo, naka 6 points. Yung fourth generation mo, naka 8 points. So, yung first, second, third, fourth, for example purposes, hindi nag-qualify kasi less than 10 points yung nagawa nila. Pero pagdating yung 5th level, naka 10 points. Si 5th level mo, siya ngayon ang mag-enjoy ng GA Max 10. Anong mangyayari kay 1, 2, 3, 4 levels mo? I-roll down ng system niya. What we mean by roll down, i-identify niya kung sino hindi nakapag-maintain. So si 2 hindi nakapag-maintain, so mangyayari dyan, i-roll down niya. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. Sa kanya, i-roll up. Pag na-roll up yan, i-add 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. That's 30 points. Yan pa lang ang considered na first generation GA mo. Kaya yung mga malalalim ang grupo dito na merong in-between na push-up GAs, mako-compress na yun such that you will be able to enjoy your group na mga GAs kahit na napakalalim na ng mga GA na yan. So because of this computation, all of you GAs, be very excited because when we simulated this several times, ang napansin namin, minimum na increase sa income ninyo, more than 50% per month. Ang minimum na increase sa income ng bawat isa. Next, okay, meron pa rin flowback points, which means, pag nag-double maintenance ka, lahat ng reorder mo, merong plus 20% increase based on commissional points. Ang maganda rito, hindi lang kasama ang reorder, kasama pa ang global package. Same way with your triple maintenance. Pag nag-triple maintenance ka, ayan yung double maintenance, may additional 20%. Babalik ko lang kasi iba kumukuha ng pictures. Okay, 20% increase in your commissional points if you maintain twice of your periodic or personal monthly achievement. Pag nag-maintain ka ng triple maintenance or what we call triple PMA, PMA stands for personal monthly achievement, you get additional 30% increase, okay, in your product reorder, commissional points, including global packages. Kaya mas masarap mag-double maintenance and mag-triple maintenance. Are we clear? Okay, next. In terms, so listen very carefully, especially for our African expansion program, African countries. Exclusive for Nigeria and Ghana marketing plan, okay? Or Nigeria and Ghana expansion. GP in Nigeria, GP in Ghana, when credited to the uplines here in the Philippines, has 750 points. Okay? So, may 750 points po. Binary points. So, pag meron kang grupo sa starting tomorrow, pag may grupo po kayo sa Ghana and Nigeria, nag-pay in doon, ang papalong points dito sa inyo sa Pilipinas, 750 points. But the good news is, pag pumalo ng 750 points yan, ipipay out na ng company yung 1,000 match sales bonus ninyo. Okay? May match sales bonus ka na 1,000. Are you excited? So, hindi na siya maghihintay ng 1,500 bago i-pay out na 2,000. 750 points pa lang, ipipay out na namin ng 1,000 pesos po yan. Exclusive, again, sa slide na to, for Ghana and Nigeria. How about the other 5 countries in Africa, especially in East Africa, Kenya, Uganda? Meron din tayo sa West Africa, Togo, Cameroon, and Ivory Coast. So, again, listen to this very carefully. For countries like Uganda, Kenya, Togo, Cameroon, and Ivory Coast, pag may nag-pay in doon, GP, Togo, Uganda, Kenya, Cameroon, and Ivory Coast, has 1,000, binary points. 1,000 binary points credited to the uplines here in the Philippines. Pero, ang i-credit namin out of 1,000 points, ang ibabangga namin dito sa Pilipinas is 750 points. Kaya kung i-calculate ninyo, 1,000 bumangga sa Pilipinas, ang i-credit namin 750. So may balance ka pang 250 binary points. Ang tawag natin doon weighting. Pero, pag bumangga yung 750 points sa Kenya, Uganda, Cameroon, Ivory Coast, and Togo, dito sa Pilipinas na 750 points, i-pay out na rin ulit namin yung 1,000 pesos. Hindi na siya maghihintay. Are we clear? Again, for the leaders, Speakers Bureau, especially the top leaders here, if you have any questions, you can just ask us, especially pag nakita nyo kami sa office. These slides will also be available to our Speakers Bureau, to our leaders. We can furnish you a copy of this official marketing plan. Okay, that is our marketing plan, and we hope that by this marketing plan, marami sa inyong masayaman sa AIM Global. Excited ka na ba? Mas mayaman ka ba? And ladies and gentlemen, we just need to be excited, and ang meat ng mga naging training namin is about acceptance, is about taking this challenge, taking up this challenge. And of course, to lay out the vision of what's gonna happen to us for the next many, many more years. Before I introduce to you this wonderful person, let's just have a recap of what's happened already for the last 10 years as far as AIM Global is concerned. Makikita